The iPhone 16 Pro Max set of cameras are phenomenal. The photos and videos that comes out of this smartphone are incredible. So I'm always on the search for accessories that will allow me to utilize the full potential of these cameras on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. And that's why I pick up the accessories that we're going to check out in today's video from the company Telesin. Let's go. Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. We got a fun shot magnetic grip and a magnetic selfie ring light. Two right here, which I strongly believe you guys gonna love this, man. Listen, when I saw this on the company website, I was like, whoa, this is something I need. This is something my viewers, my subscribers gonna love. All right, let's start with the magnetic grip. Let's start with the magnetic grip, guys. All right. I'm super excited, man. I've been waiting for these to arrive at my home for almost 2 weeks now, and it's here finally. All right, let's see. So the first thing you can see is the accessory. Oh, it comes only in one color, white. Okay, all right. You see what I'm talking about here, guys? It gives you a nice grip when you're taking photos with your iPhone or any smartphone. I believe this is also compatible with non-iPhones. Let me see. Yes, that's right. It comes with this ring right here, which with this ring, you simply stick it at the back of your phone. Any Android phones with non-magnetic or non-magnet MagSafe, you stick it at the back, then it will magnetize just like this. You see that? So, all right. And what else do we have? We have some wet wipe and a little button right here. What is this for? I don't know. Ah, it also comes with a lanyard. That's nice. That's everything that comes in the box. Really nice. Oh, the quality is nice. Nice build quality, guys. And the grip, it's similar to my professional camera, my Sony camera that I'm using right now to shoot this video. The grip is similar. So when you hold it, your finger goes right here. Then you can use your thumb to capture photos and to zoom in. Use your how do you call this finger though? Index. Yeah, index finger to zoom. It has a zoom lever right here. You see that? The color is nice. The magnetic grip has some few buttons and functions. Now, there are 3 buttons on top. One is the mode 1 button, the mode 2, and there is a shutter button right here, which is what you're going to use to capture photos or start a video. Then there is the zoom lever, nice quality. And this part right here is removable. So you can remove it and use it as a remote control. I'm going to show you guys how it works later in this video. Or you can put it back. It's magnetized, strong magnet. Yeah, very strong magnet. And as I mentioned earlier, this part right here is where your finger grip or hold it. And it's not slippery because it has some texture pattern, which is nice. It has some nice texture pattern. So it's not grippy. It's not slippery. You hear that? Then this is the magnetic ring. This is where it attaches on the back of your phone. If you have an iPhone with MagSafe, then this will automatically attach on the back of the phone just like this. Right there. Very simple, guys. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. So now your phone acts as a professional camera. Look at it. Now my iPhone is like a professional camera right now. I could capture photos just by holding like this. Now, talking about the strength of the magnet. Is it very strong? Let's find out. All right. Oh, wow. Whoa, guys, this is very strong. And you can rotate it so you can either take photos or videos, portraits in a portrait manner, just like this, or horizontally. Okay, you can rotate it very easily. And the magnet is strong, guys. Whoa, this is awesome. This is something I was worried about it. I mean, when I was picking up this magnetic grip, in my mind, I thought about, okay, what if the magnet is not strong enough? What if I drop my phone because the magnet is not strong enough? But no, don't worry, guys. Trust me, the magnet is super strong. It's not going anywhere. And you can turn it around portraitly, horizontally, easily. And the build quality is really nice. I love the fact that the company went to the extra length to make sure that the quality of the build is really nice. It's plastic, but nice, feels good in the hands. Now, another thing I like is the fact that this part right here has a soft material. So it's not going to scratch your phone. Yes, has a soft all here, all the back has a nice soft material. So whenever you're using it, it's not going to scratch the back of your phone. Yeah. The magnet, super strong, but at the same time, it's easier to take it off. All right, guys, the magnetic grip is now paired to my iPhone. The pairing process is very simple. For the first time, you simply pull out this plastic piece right here. Once you pull it out, it will power on the remote control and it goes into pairing mode. All you got to do is to get into your settings, your Bluetooth, and you look for Telesin MG. Very simple. Now, the next thing to do is to activate the zoom lever so that when you zoom in, like right now, if I zoom in, you can see it's working. But how do you activate this? It's very simple. Get into your settings, then get into accessory, then tap on zoom. You make sure to turn it on. You turn on your zoom. When you turn it on, now when you turn on the zoom, you see, it's zooming the screen. But to restore it, you double tap with 3 fingers on the screen. 1, 2. That's it. It goes back to the normal mode. And the zoom is activated. Very simple. Now it's ready to be used. And all these buttons, you can use mode 1 to change for the different shooting modes. Oh, something I realized, guys, you can also use this magnetic grip as a stand. Check it out here. You can use it as a stand. So it acts as a stand for your smartphone. You see that? It's not falling off, which is nice. Yeah, and there is a thread right here, so you can install a tripod right here. So you can install a tripod, then you pull out this, you can use it as a remote control. You see right here, so if I press the shutter button, it captures. I can change a different shooting mode. Press again, video. Press again, turn it off. So it acts as a remote control. So if you have it on a tripod, you can use this as a remote control to capture photos and videos. And I know one question you guys will be thinking is, can you use the magnetic grip on a phone that's in a case? Let's find out. Now I'm going to first of all use a thick case. This case is very thick. And yes, you can use it on a thick case and also very strong magnet. It's not going anywhere. Another question I know most of you guys are asking is, does this magnetic grip drain the battery of your smartphone? The answer is no. It uses a lithium cell battery right here, guys. This is a battery that it uses. So you can use this probably for, like, according to the company, 10 months before you change it. And you can find this battery everywhere. It's all around, everywhere. Easy to replace. Now let's check out the magnetic ring light also, which I think is a perfect combination. This is it. When you take it out, this is a magnetic light right here, guys. Really nice build quality, man. It's made of metal. Nice build. The hinge is very solid. Oh, it has a mirror. Ladies, y'all gonna love this. If you're doing your, if you're creating content, you can use this as a mirror to see how you look, to check on your makeup. Ladies, this is a ring light, guys. Very nice build quality. It's magnetic. So you can also magnetize it on the back of the magnetic grip. Just like this. So you have a light. So you have a magnetic grip and you have a light. And how do you turn it on? You press and hold this button in the middle for about 3 seconds. That's it. It's on. Okay. Yeah, you can change from warm light to cool light. Oh, wow. Oh, nice. And you can increase the brightness from, there is a little wheels on the top right here. There's a little wheel right here. So you can turn it around to increase or reduce the brightness. Oh, this is awesome. Ladies, gentlemen, this is a full set for content creation. If you're a content creator, if you use your smartphone for creating content, you can use this. And remember, it doesn't work only on iPhone. It works on every phone or Android phones. But Android phones with no MagSafe, you got to use this ring. It comes with it in the box. Now, another thing I realized is you can increase the height of the light just by pulling like this. So let's say you want to shoot portrait mode. Now, if you have it magnetized at the back of your phone, portrait mode, you see right there, it's not enough. So you just increase the height by pulling up. Now you can shoot on a portrait mode with a lighting. You can also rotate the light 360 degrees. Yeah, you rotate 360. You can also use the ring light independently by sticking it directly on the back of your iPhone because it has a MagSafe. But for non-iPhones or Android smartphones, there's a ring that comes with the light in the box. This is it right here. So you use this ring for phones with non-MagSafe. And also it comes with a USB Type-C cable, so you charge the battery. According to the company, if you have the light on full brightness, the battery lasts up to 45 minutes. According to the company, it weighs 80 grams. Yeah, it's very light, very compact, so you can put this in your pocket, you can put it in your bag, you can use it anywhere, anytime. And there are 3 LED lights right here, which indicates the battery life. So when you power it on, right now it's on 2. Yeah. And nice build quality too. All right, so this is the magnetic grip and the magnetic ring light. Let's put them to the test.